Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to paint a simple flower very quickly, and this could be your last minute flowers and you can utilize this for multiple purpose like greeting card and all. So with the help of ultramarine blue and my brush size is 02 round brush, and I'm creating small flowers, and these are 4 to 5 petals flower. You can arrange it in a circular shape to get the front perspective, and for the side perspective you can create 3 to 4 petals only in one direction. So when I'm creating these flower, trust me, I'm not thinking too much. I'm simply try to create multiple flowers in a group. So you can have either both colors of blue like cobalt blue and ultramarine blue, or you can choose only one color, that is also fine. I'm using both cobalt blue and ultramarine blue to get little contrast of color and little variation of color into my flower pattern. Now I have created this in a group, as you can see, not thinking too much. But for the side flowers you can keep the perspective side so that you can have little variation into the perspective of the flower. Although as of now, if you look into this particular structure, you might not able to recognize where the flowers are. Now let's create a stem. So I'm randomly creating a stem, and this could be little thicker because this is the main stem that we have. And then you can create multiple fine stems around it to make it look like all these tiny flowers are connected with the main stem. And you can also create couple of stems in between these flowers to make it look like few of the stems are still visible, although we have so many flowers in between. And then around the flower area you can have a small green element. This could be your sepals or maybe a leaf kind of pattern, whatever, but I think keeping small green element is something better to have, so that's why I'm creating it. Now that's all we needed for the flowers. The only thing now I'm going to do is adding yellow color into the center part of my flower. So I'm creating the center part, keeping the center part yellow, and that's all we needed for the flower. And as I said, this is quick and easy flower painting, so that's why we are not doing too much. We are keeping things simple and easy. Now start creating leaf. I have mixed lemon yellow and cobalt blue color to make a sap green color, and I'm creating these oval kind of shape for the leaf. Again, choice is yours. There are multiple ways to paint leaf. You can create one stroke leaves, you can create two strokes leaf, keeping a fine negative space in between. If you already know about my videos, I have shown you multiple ways to paint simple leaves like these. But for today's video, I am creating an oval kind of pattern for the leaves, and I'm trying to create these leaves throughout the stems that I have. But the composition is totally up to you how you like to compose it. So I'm keeping a group of leaves like 3 to 4 leaves in a one single group, so you can create substem and then you can have leaves around that. So these kind of things is totally up to you. You can have any reference photo as well to paint something like this, although I'm not using it and I'm doing it randomly. And I'm also thinking to have little bit of leaf towards the downward direction around the flower area. So let's do that. So I'm adding one more stem, and this stem is hidden because of the leaf. So you can keep this stem upward direction and towards the downward direction, and then you can start creating more leaves like we did for the upper side. So for now I am using the same color, as you can see. I am thinking to have little bit of pattern and structure around the leaf area, so that is something we can do. Although if you think this is all you needed, you can keep it like this only. And with the help of white color, I'm going to create a pattern around the leaf area. So I know using white color is something not very common when it comes to the watercolor, but I don't know, I like to use white color to have small detailing around the leaf area. So you can either use lighter shade of green color or you can use white color also, and you can get a nice detailing around the leaf area. So that is something you can try. You don't have to do it for all the leaves that you have, but if you have something like this for a couple of leaves, it is better. And then last thing what you can do is adding a little bit of darker color around the leaf area. So this is totally optional. If you like to do something like it, do it, otherwise don't do it. So I'm adding a little bit of blue into my existing green, making it little darker, and I'm going around the leaf and adding one stroke little smaller in size towards the base of the leaf, adding little darker texture. And that's all we needed for today's video. Hope this video is easy and simple for you guys, and thank you so much for watching.